Hey guys, just wanted to send a quick training video on the setup here in the Quarry. So we've kind of updated, so we have some live stream options as well as now we're running some cameras in here. So pretty exciting stuff. And so I'm just going to run you through how to use the Blackmagic switcher that you see right there, that little guy right there, pretty awesome. And use the software for it here on this computer here, and then how it translates to your multi-view screen, and also how we're running the cameras as well in that too. So first off, you'll boot everything up. Computer power is over here on the far left side of the screen. The switcher just powers on. There's a little power cable right there. Just make sure that's powered on. And your hard drive for recording, this little blue hard drive, is in there ready to go. Green light there on that far right means that it is good to record. And then as you see, as you power that up, you'll already, once you get the cameras powered up, you'll get video feed from them and from ProPresenter as well once you get that turned on. I'm running some music off of one of the computers in there just to test audio signal, so you can see kind of, you have this nice little audio meter in there just to kind of give you reference of incoming audio. So that's pretty cool. But let me boot up the software real quick and show you guys that. So you will come over here, open up the ATEM software, and it'll open, connect over the network to the switcher, and here's your software settings. You really shouldn't have to mess with this much, since we kind of have this surface right here. You can run everything from that. But one thing that you do want to make sure you do when you turn on this software is you go over here to the far right, up here, or far left, up to the file, go up to file, and hit restore. And then there'll just be one core default switcher settings right here. So select that, open. And you'll see this huge window here of, by default, it have all of these things checked, so you shouldn't need to change that at all, but just make sure those are all checked just in case. Some of them will be grayed out, that's okay. But just make sure all these are checked that you can check, and hit restore. And then you'll see some settings change, and what that it does is we've made some custom settings on the switcher to work well for your guys' setup in here, and so that just loads all the settings that we've made. One of those custom settings is a downstream key. That's what DSK1 stands for. This is downstream key 1. And what this does is it allows ProPresenter to feed over top of the camera feed. So I'll click on that, and you'll see that go red on air. And what that does is it inputs the lyrics over top of the camera shot. So I'll turn it off, and you'll see that disappear, and we'll turn it back on, and you'll see it come back on. So kind of cool way to let the lyrics kind of come over top of your video feed there. So cool function there. The other key thing here is your live stream settings. This switcher has built-in live stream. So right now we have it, this is connected to the Junior High Ministries YouTube channel. You have to put in the stream key, do not share that. In fact, I might edit that out. And then once you're ready to go there, you hit on air when you're ready to stream live, and then hit off when you're done. And then the key thing here is the streaming quality right here, set to high. This also determines your recording quality. So if you're not even going to stream an event in here, but you just want to record to the hard drive there off the switcher, this also sets your recording quality. So you want to make sure we keep that to high, because we want to have a good recording quality. And so here's where you set up your recorder. So right now, here's your file name. So whatever event that you're recording for, you would type in the file name there. And then the drive, which is the T7, which is what's plugged in, so that should be good to go. And so when you're ready to record, you just hit record. You'll see that this thing turn to record, and it'll go red. And also right here, in these indicators down here, you'll see just data being able to just show that you're capturing and you're recording data to the drive. And if you're streaming, you would see that on the YouTube side as well. So pretty cool little machine, what you can do in there. And that's basically it. All the other settings you shouldn't have to mess with for right now. If you have any other questions, just let me know, and we can definitely answer those for you. But that is just kind of a quick overview One last thing is the audio. So there's built-in audio mixing on this switcher. So you guys will see down here at the bottom, you have switcher, media, audio, and camera. So under audio, so this brings up basically a mini audio mixer. So you'll see I've got some music playing here in the house, and that's also being played onto the switcher as well. And so that's another thing, when you load the switcher settings that we've custom made, it automatically turns this channel on so that you get audio from your soundboard into the switcher and then therefore to your live streams or over to your recording. So just make sure you load that. If for some reason you're not getting audio, it's because this is turned off. And you'll see how here's your master channel, how I'm not getting audio anymore. It's because this is turned off. So make sure that's turned on and that gets audio to your content. So pretty cool there. Shouldn't have to mess much more with that, but that's kind of the quick tidbit to check on your audio. So that's kind of a quick overview of the switcher and how to use it with ProPresenter and the cameras, and how to just kind of make sure your audio and recordings are going to be good to go. So thanks.